Itina wa muyumbe wa kiliombunge cha Fafi kauntini ya Garissa Kukub Salah kueta vena muvango wa nguthu imwe ya ayumbe ma UDA mekwenda kuete mutalatala wa kuvindua katiba na kuveta ta mwilesya usumbe na kwikia kisyii kwithiwa myaka 75 ûtongoi wa kyama cha UDA niwaleana na uneeni usu na vala masekana ni woni wa muyumbe usu indi timu ngamo wa UDA vala nasio imwe sya ndongoi sya Azimio sya umania vanene wendekethio usu.
Kithiwe yokela katikati wa NND yuluo kiwa mola uyandikitwe thanguni yemwe ya va Kenya ya wakili ukiwa wa muvango wa mabunge ngwatanio ya Kenya Kwanza matongono lo wa Fafi Kukub Salah kwenda kuvindua katiba ni kana kutonthia kusumbe kamba kavike myaka 75 indeti kwata mwilesya myaka 5 kana myaka 10 tavauteneni abunge mangwatanio selesya kioteti va Kenya ila Azimio oka na Kenya Kwanza ni momya miongamo ya kivuthukanyo yulo kiwa ûtongoi wa ngaleko ya ala aini bungeni ya katina ula ingine wa muyumbe wa ugunja opio wandai aitongo ngwatanio ya Azimio oka kuleana na itambia ye
any attempt to create a life presidency in this country like the one we see obtaining in Uganda shall be resisted vigorously by the people of Kenya. And therefore, to the person who is sending these surrogates, we are now addressing you. The person sending these surrogates to test the waters, we want to warn you that we are closely monitoring your moves. And we shall not allow you to succeed in these very devious schemes.
We know it is coming, and we are waiting for it. We know one day, before this term ends, that matter will come, either through parliament or through another means. We are waiting for it. But the only advice we want to issue now, as colleagues in politics, it is too early to talk about that. Because Kenyans are suffering, Kenyans have problems. The issue of term limit, we said it before election, we will say it now, and we know it is coming. But we know how to deal with it, and we will deal with it at the right time, not at this time when Kenyans have problems of drought, hunger, cost of living, no.
Ukiwa kwa tamba ni muyumbe wa kadhiani Robert Mboi na ula ainena waweta yita itambele vani kuyotongogo president katikati wamba ile siya va Kenya sio ka
katiba ka Kenya ni mako ni yekura na maka betu kivya na ndini wa katiba ni maiti kana mundu asa after mwile Kibaki asavi yeta mwile Uhuru asavi yeta mwile na kila mundu la woko na Itina waasu aile kuka kasafu ta mumwe kana ta mwile kwa na ondo kukwata kura lakini tuyetikela ona pamwe kutila kiucha myaka esu 10 ya mundu ekala usumbeni nondo ondo ibangithitwe no mpaka kilando mabikiwe ni mwana wo tukatwika twithukuma kiliu ni mwezi kana kumata kwata wiyathi Kenya no asumbe ala masumbikite Kenya ni mamba ile tukatwika etu vindua katiba yuba twike oli kile no tona kuongelela myaka yake yimaanisha kuma ila twakwatie wiyathi mpaka myaka ibikejiana tuikeza kukwata mundu ambaye ingi utona usumbika nthino
vala itongo sya kuleana ukiwa kwa kuweta kita kindu kitaesa unena ningwa chamani chocha UDA mwene kivela wa chama ki Johnson Muthama kwisila mutandaoni wake wa Twitter waweta ûtondute muvangoni wa ngwatanio ya Kenya Kwanza ukiwa wakiukwata mboni muimbo wa mwala Vincent Kawaya anola wa South Mugirango ila kauntini Silvana Sosoro.
And the honorable member for Fafi is merely an attention seeker. He does not speak for the party. He's got a mile of challenges. He's never even come to this house to ask me, to be a member. He's never come to this office to even ask me to be a member of a certain committee, especially even the blue economy and water or anything, so that he can work for his people who are suffering. People who are struggling with hunger. So that is not the position of the party.
Zino zia propaganda hizo ni story itevo. Sindu zio ndela tukwikata Kenya Kwanza tuambaye kalandi tukakonsort. Nitithana sindu zita wa PG na wiki ndo kiende ya acha Kenya Kwanza kitambaye wa meza ni tukamba discuss. Kwa story hizo ni kwacha sana no story sia Azimio. Mumani to wa matest yo na nimezo jaribu zindu mbinge. Nundu sarakasi lazi edho angaliko nizio sarakasi mbinge mono.
Vala iteteta mbiyaki ya 10 uneeni muyumbe wa Fafi Kukub Salah waweta tabunge mena mwana wa kuvindua katiba vala meiwa kiatu kimavini.
The constitution can be changed, can be amended, and will be amended, whether by our generation or the generation to come. And the amendment starts from an outburst or a sentiment by one or two people. And that's why I brought up this issue of the term limit. I believe in that sentiment. I said that the term limit should not be 2 terms, and the person should be removed through the ballot, not by term. That's what I mean.
Kuvituka kwa uendekethio uwa muyumbe wa Fafi Kukub Salah kwa ile kunenga President William Ruto nolona na myaka 55 kwa oyu ivuzwa kukitakivila kicha president kwa mavindange hatatu. Ken Mulinge, Ûtongoi TV.